Yeah, back again. Back once again. Is this working? Testing. There we go. Yeah, might sort out the camera soon. I'll keep using the iPhone. I might change to something else. A few other YouTubers have, and I don't know. Digress. Anyway, so crack on with the door repair. Last time we left it was we lost the panel clamp on the floor, didn't we? So I need to go find that. So yeah. Okay, so we've left, just looking at the other door. We did survive, or managed to, I'll turn you around. We managed to keep the drain holes, which is good. It comes in from the sort of the gutters, the channel up here where the windows rubbers side in, and then the pipe goes down and into those, and obviously stops your doors from rusting, even though obviously that doesn't actually work. So yeah, I've cut the other ones out just because it was what it was. I had to. Let's get rid of that as much as you can now. I'm not an alcoholic. But what we can do is I've kept them, so we can just, all we do is re-drill some holes and refit them again. So anyway, let's see if we can, I've only got an hour and a half, so let's see if we can get some tacks on this and try the door skin on, see what it looks like. Or we could try the door skin on now actually before we even put any tacks on. That's a good idea actually. Let's do that. Okay, it's not looking too bad. What I found is, you definitely need enough flangey to overlap. But if you can give yourself just a couple of millimeters, it's splicing. You can then just flex it a little bit, or you can slide the wing, the skin up and down a fraction. Just helps on alignment sometimes. Twisting it on the actual frame when it's actually on the car later. Obviously, if it's completely butt to this, you can't. You've got no movement. So yeah, just need to take a bit of grind off here. That should do. And yeah, where's that damn panel clamp gone? Okay, looking alright. Basically just put some spreader plates underneath, put some mold grips on, put some nuts on, just not nuts on anything, just to allow the mold grips to squash this panel down so it's quite flat. It's flat with this door skin. Again, clamp the door skin down to the door frame. So basically we're sort of good to go. That we're thinking actually, if we can get this on, it's fitting quite well around here. The door skins are doing what it needs to, and so we make everything else fit. We adjust the angles of other stuff, but yeah, that'll be alright. So yeah, I think we're nearly good to get, because what we'll get some tacks on it, then we can remove it and then obviously feckle it a little bit more if needed. But yeah, it's looking alright. Yeah. Ooh, a bit colder. I thought it was a bit warm down here actually for doing a bit of painting at some point, but yeah. So I didn't video the tacks, but hey, there's plenty of other YouTube videos out there to show you how to tack. Definitely not mine. So yeah, looking alright. Fettled a few edges. Got some tacks every sort of 1.5 inches, 2 inches, just to see how it goes. Looking alright. Yeah, looking alright. Wondering what's mostly worth doing is just getting it up to the door frame, just to get a rough idea, just to see what things are looking like. Mostly worth doing. So yeah, let's do that. I found my panel clamp. Must have actually inside the door somewhere. Just fell out. Woohoo! Okay, just cut the section out. Try the door on, it's close enough for a Mark 1. Cut this bit off. The blue door, the original door. The idea will be to clean that up, splice that in there. Feels like this outer skin here is not attached, which if you look on these ones, they are actually attached to the bottom, the channel. So obviously for some reason that's come off. Obviously what we need to do is get this off, this channel off, because we're going to need to then weld it back onto there to give it some strength. Yeah, that's going to be a nice old job to... Oh, hang on. Oh, that's half of it coming off already. Alright, let's clean some of this up. I've got not much else to do at the moment. Oh, this place is a mess, isn't it? Obviously it's all CGI, that, all the mess. It's not really there. So yeah, slow old process this. Be careful, I'm bloody trying to leave it up with the old screwdriver. End up putting a couple of little dents in the back, so you've got to be careful of that. You can actually see the spot welds actually, I don't know if you can, the original spot welds. You can just see them there. They're not my dent marks, that's just where the spot welds are. So it's not too bad, because you can see you can see all the way up them. So we might drill through those and actually just plug weld through. But yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? It's just a door. Hate Mark 1 doors. Don't know if I've said that. But yeah. Yeah, slowly, catch the monkey. Get in there. Laborious old stuff. Even this one. No, holes. It's a bit thin near the tops here. It's savable. Definitely better than the previous one, but yeah. 8 Mark 1 doors. Sure there'll be people out there that love them, but I don't. This is the last Mark 1 door that I'll work on. I'll be very happy. It's my old mate, Aron. Say hello, Aron. Hello. He does run a little channel. I'll give him a link up. He doesn't upload any videos because he's lazy and busy and working.
I did one last night though, so.
But he's popped down. Had first job together 24 years ago, 23 years ago.
Oh yeah,
so,
easy, 96 I think.
Yeah. 96, and then we used to go out in our lunch hour in my first mini pickup and just drive around.
Change the top too early till you get the induction.
Yeah, with the old Webbers, and that's what we used to do in our lunch hour. That's what you do when you're 18.
Exactly.
So yeah, what do you think of it?
It's brilliant.
Brilliant,
yeah,
see,
brilliant.
He's always my #1 fan.
Brilliant. I think it's really
He's
good.
blind as a bat.
Oh, yeah.
Check out my inner wings. Have a look at my inner wings. Yeah, they're fucking lovely. So yeah, and we're off down fucking Spoons in a minute.
Have a drink.
So have a drink. We should be doing some work really, but I can't be arsed now. It's been a long day.
That to me looks...
It's like glass, isn't it?
It looks...
Is that what you're going to say?
It looks flatter than it did. I thought it was going to look, but that's alright.
Yeah, the camera distorts stuff sometimes. When things don't look straight on the camera, it's...
Yeah, this is obviously, you did with your dad, didn't you?
Yeah, right, yeah, I could have done it though myself, but... Yeah.
It's really, really good though. But that was completely missing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was all rusted into the gutter all the way down here, so... It's, it will do.
Well, like you say, once you've got it in paint, and obviously, you know, it's...
And if they do a new roof one day, I'll replace the roof again properly, you know, if I can do it, you know. But that's proper repair anyway, that's going to last for years, you know.
I mean, as you plan, I mean, you know probably because you've painted cars and I've yet to do that. I take it, would it be quite a thick coat of like prime and then you flat and then you put a...
That's the ideal thing, yeah. So I'm going to go across with epoxy primer when I do the floor as well, because it's all bare metal, taking all the metal off, get epoxy primer on it. Yeah. And then, get quite a lot of filler primer, as much as I can on it. And do the best. I'm not very good with prep, but do my best.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, what paint you have done, I'm quite impressed with it, because I've never had a go. Well, I have had a go on small items, but to do
Have you actually been close to any more paintwork, so to be fair? No.
Maybe not close on the screen. Like
yeah.
Like that. but not in reality. But
On the phone screen,
good.
they look absolute mint.
Yeah.
I do try to make sure I get the best angles and the best lighting, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. Yeah,
and
you know.
the bulkhead's new, isn't it? Or part of
Yeah, most of the bulk of the news. Yeah, as I said, it's quite hard to fit them. You know, there must have been when they build these at the factory, they must have built like the cabs first, then joined them onto the back, if you sort of mean, you know.
Right.
So you can't sort of do the bulkhead without actually having no rear quarters and stuff. You know, they've got to be all off. But
The guys are going to know on the watching anyway. But it's only the actual transmission tunnel as such, or exhaust tunnel that was original, right?
no, that's
the
whole floor. Yeah,
Right, okay.
yeah. So I think the original bit's the roof and yeah, about it. A few rear quarters. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I'm very impressed with that. It's nice. I'm amazed. These wings amaze me because you've managed to put them together. And did you use door skin?
Yeah, maybe.
But then that's giving you that curve.
Yeah, the curve was matched. It's, you cut it out the door. It's the same curvature, so it really helps.
Because it doesn't. I mean, I know I'm in the video and you were fretting a little bit about it. I noticed when you look along it, actually, it doesn't go flat. It doesn't dip out, does it? If you
no, you know. And then the joggling helped as well. You see, okay. You're not having a perfect butt join that people, you know, the purists or the, you know,
you
your concourse.
that, though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Distortion, right?
Yeah, but it was also joggled, you see.
Yeah.
So that put strength in it.
Yeah. Because I think to try and stitch weld that, it's just going to.
Oh, you're going, you know, unless you're, you know.
Be shrinking hammers and everything.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're ending up replacing the whole rear quarters, which you know you can do if you want to, but.
Yeah, that's going to be mega bucks for those, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just even more, you know. Again, do it as a separate job another day, can't I? Now I can get another quarter if it starts bubbling in a few years or whatever.
What's your plan for the load bed? Are you going to board it or just leave it as it is? Or
Mostly just leave it as to start with and see how it wears, and then decide whether I'm going to line it or board it. Have a look at a few others and see what people have done. I think while it's all new and fresh, it'd be nice just to keep it. So I thought about Raptoring it as well.
have you got the glass?
Yeah, I got the glass.
Yeah.
And the rear lights, they're the main
I was going to say,
buggers.
I'm alright to touch it because I wasn't going to make it go rusty or anything. You know.
Yeah. We're not that standard yet, Aaron.
The side doesn't get much view, does it, this side?
Nah.
Yeah, that's the bad side.
I can't believe how much I've done in a single garage, and then this place still feels small, if you see me. Doesn't help that I'm messy, but...
I'm honestly, I'm impressed. I'm not just saying that for the camera. I am. That's
He
I'm
is.
very impressed. No, I'm not. Honestly, I'm not. Because obviously, the stuff I do, obviously, as probably people know with the Jaguar, I've cut quite a lot out of that. And I've
Well, you're 56 followers, isn't it?
Yeah, but with 54 actually.
54.
It's not bad, including you.
Yeah.
You
I
know.
watch them every day.
Yeah, it's one thing to sort of like make small pieces and buy panels that you just weld in, but to have to sort of like do stuff that's
Yeah.
you know that you see and try and get it all flat.
Well, as everything, I've said it always before, there's a hell of a lot more work than I thought it was, but, you know.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
But the roof,
If you want to see impressive, you should go see my dad, see the 67 that he's...
I've obviously seen the pictures you've put on and that.
Yeah. He's
And is he cracking on with that?
Yeah. With my scarf, we're going up there in April, I think.
Am I allowed to ask you, or will it be off camera so people don't know what engine's going in this, or do you not? You not decided yet?
It's the 16 valve, the K1100.
Oh right.
The A series.
Yeah. So the BMW.
Yeah.
Right.
So my dad's got that at the moment. So he had a couple of oil leaks and the synchro mesh needed doing in, the bulk ring needed doing.
Right.
So he's taken it out there, stripped the gearbox down. He's just rebuilt the gearbox now. So and yeah, give it a bit of a clean up. Might paint the old rocker cover grey as well to match the car, and yeah. Well, we know it runs, and yeah, I'll just swap that out, and then the Vauxhall turbo can go in the daughter's car. Goes in the the Red Hot.
And this is the door you've been working on.
Oh yeah.
It's the issue. Welding's thin stuff. It's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah. We could have joggled it as well, really, but it doesn't have to be a perfect down there. No one's going to ever see it. Your foot kicks it all the time. And
So you've got one door, piece of another door, and a repair panel. Is that
yeah.
right?
Oh, I hate the Mark 1 doors. I don't know if I've said, but I hate the Mark 1 doors.
Yeah. Hey, can you buy these new though, complete?
Yeah, you can. I don't know. I hate to think. I think they're about £400 or £500. I think.
It's way too much money.
You know.
It's one of those things. I tried to go to Auto Jumbles and I managed to get a panel for one of my cars. It was listed at £700 and I managed to get it for about 280 at Bewley.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
if you do some shopping around, you take
It's
some
just,
time. But
you know, mad prices and just like, you know. So yeah, I've had to take 4 doors and make 2 good ones out of them. But a lot of foreskins.
I didn't realise, obviously, I don't know if you show it on camera, there's other projects I've never seen that are always
Yeah.
that
I share the unit, so yeah.
God, that's another thing.